So I thought, why not create a audit of questions that you should be asking yourself before you pull the trigger. The heavy on before you pull the trigger, because learning a new platform takes time. Getting consistent and confident on a platform takes time. So this is why you don't want to just immediately jump platforms because of price increases, because there's going to be a learning curve and it can potentially create some roadblocks inside of how you're using your platform and your business. So the first question that I have here is that do you really have a real client experience flow built out? Like, you want to think through your whole automations. Are you even using the automations? Like, are you using automation inside of HoneyBook? Like, you have to ask yourself, like, if the answer is yes, and you're completely effective and efficient in your processes, then you should, that's something to consider. But if you haven't, then that might even be the starting point for you. So I have, like, if yes, do you have triggers when people inquire about the services? What happens when you're onboarding people? What happens when you're offboarding people? What's happening? So you want to ask yourself these questions, because if all you're doing is sending people invoices only and not actually using automation, that's something that you want to look into. The second question is, are you actually using smart files, templates, and brochures? You would be surprised the amount of people that send me DMs about legacy files, and or individuals that I am working with that have only been running their business on legacy files. And so they come to me to set up their account so that they can actually have smart files. Smart files came out at least 2.5, 3 years ago at this point. I have not personally used a legacy file probably since 2021, 2022, maybe. So it's probably longer than that. So you may not find it as useful because we're still using outdated templates and functionality inside the platform. So there can be this high leverage opportunity that you're missing out on when it comes to HoneyBook. So you want to make sure you have your reusable proposals. So it makes it easy for you not only to get paid, but to get contracts signed. Making sure you are optimizing them with the photos, the layouts, the branding. How do you want people to feel about your business when they are reaching out to you? You want to make sure you have contracts uploaded in there. You want to make sure you have an onboarding packet, something that's going to go to people. Like, how can you use files inside of your business? I was just recently working with someone that has a gelato company. So we had to think through, okay, when you have someone come to book you for a wedding for you to do your gelato, what kind of experience do you want your clients to have? So that helped me understand what actual smart files that we needed to use inside. So if you're not aware, smart files are the templates that are allowing you a lot more flexibility and creativity. You can upload photos, you can upload videos, you can have the ability for your clients to answer questions, for them to upload documents. I mean, there's a lot of really great functionality inside of smart files.